Cognitive AI, the ultimate guide. What's even fascinating about the future of AI with cognitive computing is that, rather than being a specific system, it is designed to learn from the environment to engage and conclude results. Cognitive AI brings resilient performance management by.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
By learning the unstructured data, extracting, reasoning with results, and interacting with humans as programmed in a natural manner like humans. The revolutionary technological changes have created a greater need for applying AI for natural language processing, NLP, speech or voice recognition, contract or image processing, unstructured data, and chatbots. The machine system learns, extracts, iterates, and results from the interaction of emotion, impulse, and cognition of situated agents with human beings and their behavior, experience, or environment. Cognitive computing extends over or past with artificial intelligence and includes a similar tech approach to boost cognitive utilization. To draw more about the guide to cognitive AI, we have provided a brief guide to cognitive AI in this article. Cognitive computing and AI. The idea is that cognitive computing proceeds with approaches sharing similarities to AI. It is used to mimic human behavior, emotion, and logic and draw results for humans to aid and improvise decision-making abilities. How does cognitive AI work? Cognitive computing systems use data mining and NLP to ease up database decisions for humans. Precisely, it is a system of advanced support to achieve the information in need to drive better results and make the decision-making process simpler. Characteristics of cognitive AI. Below are the main characteristics of cognitive AI. Adaptive. The cognitive processes with the system imitate the ability and behavior within human psychology to learn, adapt, and reason in real time through the engagement of humans with their experiences and their environment. Interactive. In this feature, the computerized systems or the cognitive chatbots connect with the overall elements in the system processor, cloud-based services, gadgets, devices, and its user. Iterative and stateful. This feature keeps account of past engagements or activities in a process to give a better analysis of the vast amount of data. In simple means, the systems post queries and request information to detect issues that are not fully resolved. Contextual. From the data collection, this feature tends to identify contextual components such as user demographics, syntax, time, logic, explanation, and many more from structured and unstructured data. Uses of cognitive AI. The best applications of cognitive AI involve AI validation in cybersecurity. The smartest use of AI features is to identify and detect cyber vulnerabilities against software bugs or threats with the help of data security encryption and situational prediction by AI key systems. This allows secure communications and information systems. It also performs response actions such as self-patching. Cognitive analytics in healthcare. Cognitive technology provides medical decisions depending on its ability to collect and analyze information. For example, in healthcare for assisting doctors with life sciences applications. Intent-based NLP. Since the system has the ability to understand human language in context, there is a reduction in manual efforts. The use of cognitive AI with NLP for carrying out analysis and logical reasoning. Generate content AI. The fact that AI can create content much faster than manual involvement by humans is advantageous.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.